Hello guys, it's Thursday today, and yeah, this should not be open on here. Right, so it's Thursday today. It's almost 5 p.m. UK time at the moment. We had a news release of PPI index, which you can see here, and it came out to be positive, which was good for the dollar. Um, Even still, gold just kept pumping higher and higher. So as you can see, gold has broken past above the all-time high area. That was the all-time high, and yeah, it's just not stopping. So yeah, I'm very confused on how to trade gold at the moment. So this was the 4H. On the 4H time frame, this was the range which gold was in, and it has finally broken past it. So it is good, I would say, in a way that now we have finally broken this range. We can look for a potential retest of it, and then if we find some support on there, then we can potentially take a continuation trade towards the upside. If not, if we break in again, retest, find resistance, and then I'll be looking to sell again on there. So there's a good possibility that gold might reverse from this area, because um, if we see on the daily time frame, we are forming some type of a falling wedge pattern. um, yeah, I'm not sure if I'm saying it the right way, but yeah, falling wedge it is. Yeah, falling wedge. Let me just get it marked properly. um, and the bottom line should be somewhere around here. So this pattern is quite a dangerous pattern, so I would say gold can still go up to um, 2562, maybe give us a spike on here, spike above this level, close under, retest, and then sell all the way till here and furthermore towards the downside. So let's see how this works out. Now I'm just confused what I should do. Should I day trade or should I swing trade? Because I'm given my busy schedule 9 to 5, I am unable to sit in front of the charts throughout the day, so which caused me to miss this move as well today. I'm pretty sure there were some good buying opportunities on the lower time frame, and I could not capitalize on that. So yeah, this week we only took 2 trades, and I've recorded those snippets for you guys, which I'll be playing right after this. Enjoy that, and I'll speak to you guys again in the weekly forecast, which I'll be posting on the Sunday. Peace. Thanks. Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. So this is gonna be a small snippet to include in my upcoming video. Recording this for you guys now so I can get rid of all the drawings which I have done here, so I can explain it to you guys better on how I took those trades on gold. As you might have checked the weekly forecast which I shared on the Sunday this week, the forecast of the current week for gold, I did mention it to you guys that gold is in a ranging market at the moment, and whenever we are at the top of the range we are gonna sell, and whenever at the bottom we're gonna buy. So the top of the range over here, as we discussed in the weekly forecast, it was getting rejected from this level, and we were just waiting for the market to go to that level again, and we have seen a good selling based on the today's CPI data as well. As I said, I was not going to trade on Monday and Tuesday, which I did not. Today being Wednesday, as you can see here at the bottom, it flags as Wednesday 10 a.m. I guess roughly I entered a trade. So we ended the last week, we ended on this area, and on Monday and Tuesday gold rallied up to the resistance level of this 4H time frame, and from there again we have taken this good sell. So let me break that entry for you guys. So if you just jump down to the 5-minute time frame, this morning I was monitoring the charts to get into a position ahead of the data release, so we can hold the trade with break even. So here we can see we have when gold swept the liquidity on here for the 4H resistance area, it pushed massively towards the downside, creating a break of structure. And upon the retest of that level, I entered a buy on here after this red candle. So after this rejection candle, I entered a sell on here, stop loss above the previous candle, and this was a easy 1:2.5 because we had this demand level on here as well. So as I have mentioned here, we entered on a 5-minute time frame. TP was hit, but partials were taken on, so I had multiple positions open. So few were running with break even, and I was hoping that the CPI data will support the direction we are in. So I booked half of my positions and half of my positions were open, and as we can see, we gained some support from this area, and during CPI, gold just melted, literally melted towards the downside. um, as we can see, there was this another 4H support area in the middle of the range. So this was the whole range, as you can see. Let me mark that for you. This was the whole trading range for gold, but there was this support area on a 4H time frame in the middle, from where now we are seeing a retracement on gold after having a meltdown on the CPI news. So just going back to the 5 minutes time frame, once we tapped into the support area, we pushed to the upside, we came down again, we again pushed to the upside, came down again. So we were seeing multiple rejections from this area. I quickly identified this compression happening on here. Once that was that, after this rejection on here, if we even apply the volume indicator, we can see some good buy volumes on this candle and this candle, after which I entered a trade on here. So I went down to the 1 minute time frame. I analyzed the volume spread analysis method, and I entered a trade on there. And again, after the break of this channel, or I don't know, a triangle, triangular channel, I entered another entry on here on the 1 minute time frame, and I manually exited the trades at this level because I have identified this as another smaller time frame region which prices can take rejection off from. And also we can see there is a 30-minute trend line marked, which gold has broken past it and is now retesting that level. So I didn't want to hold my scalping counter trend trades for long, so this was the scalp trade. But I still have my partial trades open, which I have sold from here. So let's see if we can hold them for a longer period of time, and how bearish we can go on gold this September. As I keep saying again and again, September is a bearish month for gold, given the data from the past 15 odd years. So I'm targeting 2473. Let's see if this position which I have opened lands here or no. So I'll be updating more on this in the weekly forecast, and I'll speak to you guys on there. Peace.
A quick update on this one. So as you can see, we had a deeper retracement as we expected, and if we look at this on a 15 minutes time frame, this was the CPI move which we had earlier in the day, and then we retraced back to this area of support, which then acted as a resistance. So on the 5 minutes time frame, after this rejection candle over here at 5:45 p.m. UK time, we spotted this sell opportunity. I didn't take this personally, but a friend of mine did take this opportunity because he missed out on those two. And yeah, he rode a nice wave to the downside. As you can see, we have formed a double bottom here, so he has exited the trade over here, and he has secured a good 1:2.63, which is a really good risk to reward ratio. Obviously he's holding partials with break even, and let's see how further it can go. And that's about that. All the updates for you guys. Just recording this in advance so I can get rid of all this markings, levels, and the texts to have a clear chart for the remaining 2 days of trading that are left. Peace.
Hope that made sense, guys. So I don't have anything more to update on gold at the moment. Let's see how tomorrow plays out, how the weekly candle closes, because currently all the indications are towards the bullish side of things. So even if we look at the 4H, so I'm just going to continue my analysis on gold and my outlook and what I feel about it real quickly. If you can see, this is the 4H. Oops, this is so not good. Yeah, this is good. So this is the 4H resistance area from where prices have kept bouncing again and again and again, and even this candle has closed below that level. Now 39 minutes left for this candle to close, and let's see how this candle closes and then how the daily closes. If we are to close above this whole resistance area, then I don't know, I mean, then it depends on how tomorrow plays out, because even we have some data coming out tomorrow which is not high impact but it's medium impact. So it's the prelim UOM consumer sentiment, and yeah, basically let's see now how this one goes. So even the Europe has cut their rates, so euro should have been melted but it has not. Ignore the PNL on here, guys. Just a mock-up, and yeah, I guess that has boosted gold to just keep on pushing higher, whereas dollar is melting even when the data was a bit positive for that. So let's see how this plays out. Even weekly is a massive bullish candle, and let's see if we have any indications tomorrow or next week for it to tip to the downside. We shall follow suit. Cheers, guys. That will be all for now, and hope you guys have a lovely weekend. I won't be trading tomorrow, as I have had enough, and yeah, I just really can't manage my 9 to 5 and sitting in front of the charts. So I'm gonna switch to swing trading soon. I'll be posting some videos on swing trading, and I'll keep you guys updated on all the trades I will take as a swing trader henceforth. Peace. Thanks.